Have you ever wondered why a particular song can stir up certain emotions within you, or why a soothing melody can calm your nerves? The universal language of music has a profound ability to touch our hearts and evoke powerful emotions. This is no random occurrence, it's an ancient bond shared across cultures and time. This connection is harnessed in music therapy, a healing tool that uses rhythm and melody to soothe the soul and heal the body. It's not just a coincidence, there's a science behind this powerful connection between music and our emotions. Music therapy, as a field of healthcare, has been gaining recognition for its effectiveness in helping people cope with a variety of health challenges. But what exactly is it? Music therapy is a process where trained therapists use music to help patients achieve specific therapeutic goals. It's not merely about listening to music, it's about actively engaging with it, whether through singing, playing an instrument, or even just moving to the rhythm. Music therapists use their expertise to tailor each session to the patient's needs, employing different musical elements to stimulate certain responses. Research has shown that this can have profound impacts on both mental and physical health. It can reduce anxiety, enhance mood, manage stress, and even alleviate pain. In essence, music therapy taps into the innate power of music to heal and transform, making it a unique and effective approach to healthcare. You may be wondering, how can I use music therapy in my everyday life, especially with such a busy schedule? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Start your morning with a tune that uplifts your spirit, setting a positive tone for the day. Or perhaps let soothing melodies be the last thing you hear at night, helping you unwind and promoting a good night's sleep. During the day, consider breaking up your work hours with brief music breaks. Just a few minutes of your favorite songs can help refresh your mind and reduce stress. And don't forget, singing in the shower isn't just fun, it's therapeutic too. Remember, these are just suggestions. The beauty of music therapy is that it's flexible. You can tailor it to fit your personal preferences and schedule. By making music a part of your daily routine, you can tap into its healing powers and potentially transform your life in a positive direction. So there you have it. The power of music as a healing tool is not just a belief, but a science-backed fact. We've explored the profound impact of music therapy, delved into the science behind it, and provided tips on how you can incorporate these soothing rhythms into your everyday life. Remember, the journey to healing and positivity is always accompanied by a beautiful melody. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our future content, which will continue to bring positive energy to your life. We appreciate your engagement and look forward to connecting with you. Until next time, keep the music playing.